Hello and welcome to Hargai, where we help you make smarter decisions with your money. Today, we're breaking down one of the most significant new vehicles on the market, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV Trail Boss. It's big, powerful, and has a price tag to match. But the real question is, does it make financial sense? Is this a smart buy or just a very expensive way to make a statement? Let's evaluate the value proposition. The headline feature everyone is talking about is the range. A GM estimated 478 miles from its massive 205 kilowatt-hour battery. This is, without a doubt, a huge engineering achievement. It effectively eliminates range anxiety for daily driving and even longer trips. However, a bigger battery means a bigger cost, both up front and when it comes to charging. An EV this inefficient, getting around 1.5 miles per kilowatt hour, means filling this battery up will take a long time and a lot of electricity. On a standard home charger, you're looking at days, not hours. So you'll need to invest in a powerful level 2 charger at home. Then there's the purchase price. While final figures can vary, top-tier versions of this truck will easily push into the luxury vehicle territory. You have to ask yourself, what is the return on investment? Yes, you'll save on gas, which is a significant saving over time. Maintenance should also be lower, without oil changes and all of the complexities of an internal combustion engine. But it will take many, many years of driving to recoup the initial premium you pay for this EV technology over a comparable, highly capable gasoline or diesel truck. You're paying today for fuel you might save in 5 years. Let's talk practicality. The truck is immensely capable. It can tow up to 12,500 pounds and has a payload capacity of around 1,700 pounds. The multi-flex midgate, which opens the cabin to the bed, is a brilliant feature for hauling long items. The front trunk, or e-trunk, offers extra lockable storage. These are all huge pluses. Before you get sold on the dream, click that subscribe button below. Here at Hargai, we bring you the practical, real-world analysis you need before making a big purchase, and your support helps us stay independent and honest. The truck's massive size and nearly 9,000-pound weight, however, present a real-world problem. It's not going to be easy to park in a crowded city, and its weight will cause accelerated wear on tires, which for a vehicle this size are not cheap to replace. The onboard technology is another double-edged sword. That huge 17.7-inch screen is impressive, but Chevrolet has decided to eliminate Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, forcing you to use their built-in Google-based system. For many users who are deeply integrated into their phone's ecosystem, this is a major step backward and a point of frustration you'll have to live with every single day. This is a crucial detail many reviews gloss over, but it directly impacts your daily user experience. So, who is this truck for? From a value perspective, the 2026 Silverado EV Trail Boss is for the early adopter with a healthy budget. It's for someone who wants the absolute latest in technology and performance, and for whom the cost is a secondary concern. It's a fantastic piece of engineering, but it's not yet a pragmatic choice for the average truck buyer or a business owner watching their bottom line. The lower trim work truck models might present a better value case, but this high-end Trail Boss is a luxury good. It's a glimpse into an amazing future, but for today's money, there might be smarter places to put it. If you appreciate this kind of clear-eyed, practical analysis that focuses on value, then make sure you're subscribed to Hargai. We're not here to sell you on the hype. We're here to give you the information you need to make the best possible choice. That's our promise to you. Thanks for watching.